welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's me here again with a baking video. So today we are going to bake 3 types of cakes, but on the same oven dish. So this is the day I decided that I'm going to take you through the process, and I hope you're going to learn something. And especially during this time of quarantine, you can make that cake for your family to have it with breakfast. It's good. And don't forget to do what? Subscribe on my channel for more of these episodes, for you to get notified of every video I make for you guys. So the first process is tutapaka blue band, ama if you have butter, whatever you have, you can use it. We're going to tutapaka your blue band around, and then we put this baking dish kwa freezer for some time as we prepare other ingredients. So this is what you do. Just make sure every part is covered well, and make sure every part is covered well so that your cake doesn't stick. Be generous enough. I hope you see. You can also, this is what I do, get some little flour, chukua unga kidogo, just sprinkle it. Tasaidia your cake isishike. So now my baking dish is fine, is okay, I mean, and I'm going to put it in the freezer for some time as I make the other ingredient ready. Yes. So before you turn your oven on, remember you're supposed to check on the rack you're going to be baking. For me, I bake at rack 2. So make sure your tray where you're going to place your baking dish is on the right place. Otherwise, ikishika moto, moving it is another problem. Yes, so mine is at rack 2. And then I'm going to set my temperatures. I'm going to bake at 180. And then I'm going to, that is what I'm also going to preheat my oven. Then I'm going to preheat at 20 minutes. 20 minutes. And then remember there is low resistance and high resistance. So me, I'm going to bake at where we have this mark of both high and low resistance. Yes, there. So now we are good to go. So we are back to mixing our ingredients. So for our ingredients for today, we have self-raising flour, Inia X, and then we have eggs. We have 3 eggs. These are 2 cups of self-raising flour. I'm going to use 3 eggs. And then we have sugar. For 2 cups, I go for 1 cup of sugar. It's here, white sugar. And then we have cooking oil. If you don't have butter or what, you can use cooking oil. Me, I love using cooking oil. 1/2 cup. And then, so here, I'm going to use baking powder, sorry. 1 tablespoon of baking flour. And then now because I'm making 3 different types, though in the same baking dish, I'm going to have lemon. I've grated some lemon, and then this lemon juice for the lemon part. Then I have carrot. grated carrot for the carrot cake. And then I have baking powder, not baking powder, sorry, cocoa powder for the chocolate. And then I have some groundnuts, call them whatever you want. Yes, this is also going to be in my cake today. And make sure you have cleaned your hands before you make, because you're going to touch some of these ingredients using your hands. And then this is my mixing jar. I'm going to mix them here, and then I'm going to use this one. It's manual. So the first thing, you're going to put your self-raising flour. We're going to have sugar. Then the next thing we're going to have our baking powder. This spoon is too big, so I'm going to use these ones too. And remember, this one is self-raising, so I can say that totals to 1 tablespoon. Then I'm going to mix this, make sure they're really mixed well. So the next thing, we are going to have our eggs ready. Do them separately just in case they are spoiled. You won't mess your all eggs. Then I'm going to whisk. Then we have our cooking oil here. Remember to add salt, a little bit of salt. So add your cooking oil, the eggs, and whisk. It's going to be easier for you to do it here. Remember, we are not adding water. Mix them. After you've mixed your ingredients well, this is how it looks. And then now, because I said, as we started it, I said we are going to make 3 types but on the same oven dish. This is how it looks. So I'm going to divide this portion into 2 other portions. Yes, and another one here. Actually, they are equal. So I have 3 portions now. So this one is going to be my carrot cake. Here I'm going to me to put my cake, carrots here. Then this one I'm going to add lemon water and some lemon pear. Then this other one, my chocolate cake, I'm going to use cocoa to give it the darker color. Yes. So I'm going to mix them. See. That's how it looks. Mix them well. Yeah. I bet by now my oven is ready for the baking. Then I decided to add some groundnuts. I have those there. So our baking dish is ready. I can feel it. It is very cold. You can see how it is. So I'm going to put my ingredients here, and then because my oven is already ready for us. So now you have to arrange how you want your cake to be. You can have it in layers, but mine I'm going to have chocolate this side, in the middle I'm going to have lemon, and the other side I'm going to have my carrot cake. They will arrange themselves after. Then I'm going to have my carrot cake here. You can see there are three types. We have our carrot cake, lemon cake, and our chocolate cake. So I'm going to have my cake in the oven. It's very hot. Remember, we're going to put it on the second rack. Second means from the bottom. I'm going to push it there. And then we are going to temperatures remains the same, and then I'm going to just reset time 40 minutes. Yes, so we are coming back after 40 minutes to see the final product of our 3 types cake in one baking dish. So after our 40 minutes that we timed, our cake is ready. Yes, it's ready. And we're gonna let it cool down. Fair. So this is our cake. So you can see the lemon on this side, can also see the carrot on the other side, and then we have the lemon in the middle. So that is all the process entails. You can make it for you can try it and leave a comment on the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe on the channel for more of these.